This research project that is being funded through the USDA is aimed at using AI and different sources of technology to determine which cows are most likely to have self-cure for a disease that is extremely common postpartum called metritis. Affects the reproductive tract of cows, can be pretty painful and can have a very negative impact on milk production and reproductive performance.
The main goal for this project is to find cows that will not need antibiotic treatments, to reduce antibiotic usage in their cows, to promote the judicious use of antibiotics. That way we can also help human health. Just in the US, that disease will cost about $1.2 billion per year. Huge amount of potential savings if we manage that disease better.
So the goal of the project is to use trackers on cows, collect all the data, and then analyze it using artificial intelligence algorithms in a scalable manner that's going to allow us to analyze the data and come up with biological relevant outcomes. It mixes a lot of the strengths of the University of Florida, including artificial intelligence, the use of HiPerGator, animal sciences, and everything that goes into being a land-grant institution.
My lab actually focuses on developing AI models to identify which cow can actually recover naturally. We need to work with their animal scientists, veterinary medicine people, engineer people, and also their farm staff to better understand how this AI model can help.
First, we have the camera, and then we have the AID reader, which reads the RFID from the cows. It's controlled by a single-board computer for data collection. When it passes through the chute, we use it for analyzing phenotypes and predicting body weight, body condition score. So the data we have collected here goes through the farm system. So instead of manually scaling the animals, manually inspecting the body condition score, we can just see the estimated body condition score or body weight of these animals.
So having graduate students like Angelo, like Beatriz, Julia is critical because we're basically developing the next generation of scientists that will continue to implement these types of technology in the future.
The student will get involved in the overall AI pipeline from data collection, cleaning, to their model development and validation, and also ultimately to apply their AI prediction to make the on-farm decisions. My graduate student has been involved in analyzing their preliminary data, and they will continue contributing to their model development.
It's interdisciplinary. It's not just computer science stuff alone. It contributes to a real-world problem. I think it would help me a lot, explaining things to non-technical collaborators. I'm proud to be a Gator, and I'm proud to be here.